Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to restore deleted contacts Android. We start by entering the phone app and then in the contacts section. After that, click on the three upper points and then on Trash. Here we will see the contacts deleted before 30 days, since after that, they will automatically disappear. Now we hold down a contact and mark the ones we want to recover. Finally, we will click on Restore All and recover the deleted contacts. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.